Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Live Reviewed. My name is Deb and today we are here with a comparison video between two gaming mouse. So this one here is the Lenovo Legion M200, whereas this one is the HP M260. We did the review of both of these a few days back. Go check that out. I'll put the link of that in the description below. So let's start with the comparison. This one is a bit costlier than this. The MRP of this is 1099, whereas this one is 589. So this one costs a little bit extra, but as they are good gaming mouses, I decided to do a comparison for this. So the size of the Legion is 12 centimeter into 7 into 4, whereas for that of the HP is 11.6 into 6.3 into 3.7. So little bit smaller than this, which is a good thing, I would say. So the weight of the Lenovo Legion is around 150 grams, whereas the weight of the HP is 99 gram, which goes in favor of the HP. 150 is too heavy for FPS gaming. The DPI of the Legion, it has 4 settings. It starts from 1000, goes on to 1300, then 1600 and 2400. That's the highest setting of this, 2400, whereas the HP mouse has 6 DPI settings. It starts from 800, goes to 1600, 2400, 3200, 4800 and 6400. So that's quite a lot, and this is for gaming purposes that is really needed, a good DPI setting. If you are doing if you're gaming on a small screen laptop, say 14-inch, then Legion is alright, but for screens which is more than 24-inch, the Legion is not at all adequate. I've tried it myself. Do not try that, it's very frustrating. The buttons of the Legion it has 6 buttons. These are non-programmable buttons, versus the HP also has 6 buttons. These are also non-programmable, but for some reason it is listed as programmables in the site and in Amazon, but I could not find any dedicated software which does that. I also searched in online, but I couldn't find it anywhere, so I guess it's a mistake. If you guys know about it, do put that in the comment section below. Now coming to the cable, the Lenovo Legion has a braided cable. This is 1.8 meter braided cable. The quality of that is quite good, and whereas for the HP, the cable is a PVC plain cable. It is not braided, so it's just a plain PVC cable. The warranty of Lenovo Legion is 1 year. It's actually 1 year. Amazon lists it as 3 years, but I have gone to their site and tried it. It's 1 year, guys. Do not get deceived by that. The warranty of this is 1 year, whereas the warranty of the HP is also 1 year. So now coming to the USB quality. As you see, the USB of the Lenovo Legion is gold plated, whereas for that HP it's not a gold plated, is the normal USB. Now we come to the RGB effects. The RGB effects in the Lenovo Legion, this has 7 colors which keep cycling, that's it. There is no other effects in that, and you cannot change it. Whereas in the HP mouse, it has 4 lighting effects, and you can change that with by clicking this left mouse button and the DPI button. So let me show you. That's the first, second, it's third, fourth. The fourth is actually a mixture of all those. This keeps on repeating, and this is how you switch it off. There is actually a way to turn off the RGB in this one, so that's one good thing, and you turn it back using that. Now RGB, as we saw, can be disabled in the HP mouse, which is a very good thing, but the RGB cannot be disabled in the in the Lenovo Legion mouse. So that's one negative point for this. Now can the RGB be programmed? That's a no for Lenovo Legion, also no for the HP M260. Now coming to the buttons, the buttons are not programmable in both of this mouse. As I said earlier, in the description it says yes, but I did not find any option for that. The sensor used in the Lenovo is a laser sensor, whereas the sensor in the HP is an optical one. The switches for the Lenovo mouse, this is Omron mouse, which is very good, very high quality, it's very clicky, whereas the switches used in the HP mouse are in-house made by HP, but these are also quite good, the clicks are quite nice. Now coming to drag click, since these two are gaming mouses, it is important to know if these can do drag clicking. So it is possible to do a drag click with the Legion mouse, whereas it's not possible with the HP mouse. The polling rate of the Legion mouse is from 500 to 1000 Hertz, whereas in this HP it's 125 Hertz. I have tested it myself, and for FPS games, that is quite low in this one. But it's all right. I have tried it. In real world it does not make that much of a difference, but you should know this is quite low in the HP. Now coming to the material used, in the Lenovo mouse, they have used high quality plastic and rubber. It is a matte finish, looks very good, it's very heavy, it's very well built, and this is made by plastic and there is rubber in the sides for better grips. Whereas in the HP mouse it is totally plastic finish, it's quite light. I would say in the quality the Lenovo is much better built than the HP mouse. Now coming to the accuracy, of the Legion mouse is not that good compared to this HP. I felt the HP mouse has better accuracy compared to the Legion mouse, and that's partly because it's a lightweight mouse and this is quite heavy. Now coming to the downside of that, the back side of the mouses, in the Lenovo mouse they have used normal plastic pads. I did not find any mention of this being Teflon anywhere. I guess it's not, I'm not sure, I may be wrong, but the HP mouse has Teflon padding, that is confirmed on their website. Now the model year of this, the Legion mouse was released in 2017, whereas the HP mouse was released in 2020. Do check out my review video of the Legion mouse. I have listed out quite a few cons of this mouse since this is very old. And yeah, now coming to the conclusion, between these two, I would say the HP M260 is the clear winner here because of its price point. It's quite low. This has a lot of customization option. Compared to that, you cannot do it programmatically, but you can turn off the RGB, you can change the effects, which it is not there in the Lenovo mouse. It's lightweight, great for gaming, great for everyday work and all, and overall ergonomic design, the grip and all, I really prefer the HP mouse compared to the Lenovo Legion mouse. So that's it guys. If you need to know anything else, ask me in the comments. I will answer all of your questions. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe, and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, check out one of our latest videos here, and bye.